Yes, my brothers and sisters, what are you man telling me? And we're back with another one. So, in terms of today, of course, 3 to 5 p.m. UK time, hopped in a little bit early, and this is my 1 hour chart. So, technically, we are we have a boss there, and this is actually valid. I know it doesn't look like it, but we have another one there, another one there, another one there. So technically, we was trading from this high and this low, but this low got disrespected. So now, essentially, we are trading now from this high and currently this low. Currently this low because it's the lowest point. So at any given moment, price could tap into something within here and then make its way back down, or we're just facilitating a bigger time frame SBS where this could be my one, this could be my two, this could be my three, four, five. Only thing stopping me from taking this trade to go back higher will be my SMA. But besides that, if you was trying to look for longs, then be my guest. Essentially, if you're also looking for shorts, you could also be my guest. But if you go down to our 5 minute time frame, we can see that price has been bearish because we have been making low lows and low highs, but it's now gotten to a point where it looks like price is now trading from this low, and now we are trading from, let me see, this high here because we took out these lows here. So right now we are trading within this, and yes, potentially you could have caught a trade based off the 1 minute chart, but the SMAs was not in my favor, so I already know I wouldn't have taken a trade from here. So when I let price play out, we finally take out the lows, as you guys can see for yourself. So now essentially we are trading from this low, and we are now trading from this high. We've had our MSB over here. So now if I want to look for trade shorts, this makes much more sense. So if I, let me just go back to the 5 minute quickly, if I let price play out. So you can see how potentially this could have been my one, this could be my two, this could be my three, four. We don't quite get the reversal pattern, double top, double bottom, whatever we want to call it, CSS. We don't get it on a 5 minute chart. If I go to the one, same thing here. We don't quite get it on the 1 minute chart. And I do know people that would have potentially tried to use this area here where price might want to tap into here and obviously make its way back down. Yes, we have an IB candle here where you could have taken the shorts from the high there, and you can see how you get yourself tagged in. However, look at my SMA. Price is bullish based off my SMA. So whatever time frame that you're on, you have to follow the SMA based on that time frame. I can't stress this enough. But either way now, even on a 5 minute, let's say you was now trying to look for a potential trade, you can now see how the SMA is above. So now I can't entertain this. So when you just let price play out again, can you see how now we're just consolidating? We just consolidated throughout. I mean, if I go to my 1 minute chart, it might look a little bit better. But you can see how we had a lot of movement, and then from 4:30 onwards, which is about, I think, 11:30 price, 11:30 New York time. Price was consolidating from there. So in terms of taking a trade, there was none. I mean, if I go back to my 1 hour chart, you can say potentially price came back to tap into this area here. So now potentially you might want to bounce from this area here and push on higher. The only thing that would have stopped me is my SMAs. I still want price to get above these SMAs, and then I will start to take a trade long. Until then, you'll never catch me taking a trade, you know. But that's it from gold. There wasn't much going on. There wasn't actually a trade that I would have personally taken. So that's it from me today in terms of gold. Always remember that victory belongs to the most tenacious, and wherever you're in the world, I'm wishing you guys a good morning, a good afternoon, a good evening, and a good night. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace and good night.